In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack search not returning results. Open Slack in your browser, or open the Slack desktop app and sign in to your workspace. Once Slack is open, look at the very top of the window and click inside the search bar. Type quarterly report into the search field, then press enter. Watch the results that appear. In this walkthrough, the results are wrong, missing, or not useful, and that is the issue these fixes are meant to address. Start by checking whether Slack itself is having a search outage. Open a new browser tab. Click in the address bar, type slackstatus.com, and press enter. When the status page loads, look at the banner at the top of the page. If you see a green message that says all systems normal, that means Slack is not reporting a platform-wide issue, so the problem is likely on your side. If you see an active incident that mentions search, then Slack is the source of the problem, and you need to wait for Slack to resolve it. Scroll down the status page to the recent incidents list. Check that list for any recent search-related incidents, because Slack has logged search outages in recent months. This confirms whether the problem is coming from Slack before you spend time changing anything in your own app. Now go back to Slack and refine the search with filters. Switch back to the Slack desktop app. Click the search bar at the top of the window again. Type quarterly report into the search field, then press enter. Slack opens the full search results view. Across the top, you should see tabs for messages, files, channels, people, and canvases. Make sure the Messages tab is selected. In the toolbar above the results, click Filters. Click the From filter, then choose your own name from the dropdown. Next, click the In filter, then choose the channel named Project Alpha. The results should instantly narrow down to only your messages inside that channel, giving you a more focused result list. You can also type search modifiers directly into the search bar instead of clicking filters. To search your own messages, type from:@. To search inside the Project Alpha channel, type in $project-alpha. To search before a specific date, type before 2026-04-22. To search for messages with the eyes reaction, type has::eyes:. For an exact phrase search, type quarterly report, then press enter. Next, reload the Slack app. Make sure the Slack desktop app is the active window. On Mac, press Command+R. On Windows, press Control+R. The Slack window should go blank for a second, then reload with a fresh fetch of your workspace data. After it reloads, click the search bar at the top. Type quarterly report again, then press enter to check whether the results now appear correctly. If search is still not working, clear the cache and restart Slack. Open the Troubleshooting menu. The location depends on your operating system. On Mac, click Help in the macOS menu bar at the very top of the screen. Then hover over Troubleshooting. On Windows, click the three-line menu in the top left corner of the Slack window. Hover over Help, then hover over Troubleshooting. In the Troubleshooting submenu, click Clear Cache and restart. Slack will close itself. Wipe the local cache and reopen to your workspace. Give it about 10 to 20 seconds to relaunch. Once Slack opens again, click the search bar at the top, type quarterly report, then press enter. The results should now load fresh from Slack servers, without the stale local cache that may have been breaking the earlier searches. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. After running through these fixes, Slack search should be returning the right messages for your query. The status page check rules out a Slack side outage. The filters narrow noisy results. The reload clears a stale app session, and clearing the cache forces Slack to fetch fresh search data from its servers. Congratulations, you're done.